Hello mga loves! Good morning! Another day and sasamahan nyo kami sa aming mga ganap for today's CAV at TESDA Manila. And with these two gorgeous ladies with me, tara let's! So what are the CAV needed before apostille? Maaaring sa mga beginners like me, terms like CAV and CTC kind of bit confusing. Kasi ngayon ko lang din to na-encounter although nakailang balik na ako abroad. So let me try to share a bit of my knowledge as plain and simple para din magkaroon ng idea ang iba. But wait, mukhang may reveal si Angge.
Unahan namin punta dito sa church.
Wow! Take note, nasa Quiapo pa lang yan, wala pa sa Japan. Tignan mo naman ang excitement. So, bago natin mapa-apostil ang school records, kailangan meron tayong CTC or Certified True Copy na manggagaling mismo sa ating school. Example, the TOR or Form 137 with a stamp or seal signed by the school registrar or the officer na may custody over the school record. Kumbaga, kailangan natin ang CTC because requirement siya ng CAV at yung CAV ay need para ipa-apostil ang school records. If kagaya namin, ikaw ay nag-training sa Fieldworks Training Center, yung TOR, SO at COC ay matatanggap natin after 2 to 3 weeks. And how about yung ipapa-CAV natin? So, CAV stands for Certification, Authentication, and Verification na manggagaling sa TESDA. If you will remember, a day after our assessment ay nagsisend ang TESDA sa atin ng ating NC2 certificate sa mga email addresses na pre-provide natin during our assessment. Hindi lang ako sigurado kung pare-pareha sila ng mga requirements na hinihingi, pero pumunta kasi kami sa TESDA Manila District Office na malapit sa Carriedo. Kung dito nga rin po kayo nagbabalak pumunta, ay mag-ready lamang po kayo ng 3 copies of your NC2 certificate and 2 pieces ng inyong documentary stamp and 50 pesos na babayaran sa loob ng cashier. And then after, they advise us na bumalik ng 3 to 4 p.m. para kunin yung aming documents na pinakav. And for the clarification, sa CAV nakalagay na ang school certification at signature ay authentic. And also, yung na-issue na CTC like TOR, diploma is duly recognized by the government. And that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, and if ever you have any other suggestions or if you have any other informations, don't hesitate to comment down below and follow me on my social medias, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag mag-upload ako ng bagong videos. And I will see you guys on my next one. Keep safe and stay healthy.